Hello friends, today I will explain the Move tool. Take the default Photoshop page and then maximize the page. Now, in the last lesson I said to start with a new layer, so, we will take a new layer, layer 1. Now we will take the marquee tool to select a portion and we'll drop a color in that portion. Select any size and select a color from the color panel and drop the color. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect the dotted portion. Now, select the Move tool. By press and hold the left mouse button you can move the selected layer. Choose a different color from the color panel. Take the Paint Bucket tool, and then select the background layer and drop the color. By selecting each layer we can move that particular layer. Suppose here I'm selecting layer 1, it will move layer 1. But to move the background layer, we need to convert the default background into a layer, that is layer 0. By double-click on the background layer. Press OK. Now we can also move the background layer. There is a checkbox in the top, Auto Select Layer. If this is checked, then it will automatically select the layer by just clicking on the image. If unchecked, you have select the layer from the layer panel manually. Using Move tool you can align two or more images with respect to each other. Suppose here, we want to align layer 1 with respect to layer 0, click both layer in the layer panel, by pressing Ctrl. Then click on the given tabs, select the type of alignment. First the horizontal edge, next left edge, then right edge. Next align top edge. Then middle edge and then bottom edge. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect the dotted selected part. Now the next tab is Show Bounding Box. By checking this box, you can resize the shape or the selected image. You can also get bounding box by clicking Ctrl plus T. I will suggest to resize any image by pressing Shift key, as the pixel will remain same. The image will not get blurred. That's all for Move tool. Next tool is Lasso Tool. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel.